I want to show you how you can use CoinMarketCap to find out crypto trending narratives, okay, so that you can be making money on daily basis. So I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the ending of it to get every bit of information I have to pass across in this video, okay? If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Hit that subscribe button, join the billionaires gang. And if you're a return subscriber, God bless you. Thank you for coming around, okay? Let's go. This is my CoinMarketCap. This is the interface of my CoinMarketCap. Are you hearing me? Good. Just go to your CoinMarketCap, open this way. Once you open this way, you click, you come to market. All right, okay. Let me use this and I'll show you. You come to this this place. This top gainers, top losers, okay. And I will explain before I proceed. And this ones, let me explain this for this upcoming, okay. If you want to find out upcoming tokens, if you click on this upcoming, let me click on it now, okay. All these ones are the upcoming tokens, upcoming, that are about to come live on CoinMarketCap. All right, if you check here, you see first listing date. You check this one, November, okay, May 27, and the rest of them. You click on each of these projects, you see their date there. So this upcoming is talking about the upcoming project that are about to go live on CoinMarketCap. You can come here, research. If it's okay by you, okay, you can go in and take position before time. You check out this one, recently added. These are tokens that are recently added to CoinMarketCap, maybe within 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 4 hours ago, you know. If you click on this recently added, you will see a lot of the tokens here that are recently added. See them here. Go down, scroll down, you see the MAGA, BG, BTC, TTPA, and the rest of them, okay. You check here, these top gainers. This top gainers is talking about tokens that that perform very well, you know, in the past 24 hours. All right, if you click on that top gainers, you see them. Let me click on it. All right, you see, check out that their past 24 hours, what they did. All right, like GPM did 2056% in the last 24 hours. CATX did 787% in the last 24 hours. GROK did 356% in the last 24 hours. Trump did 332% in the last 24 hours. Coin did 311%. Trump did this Trump, you need to be careful in your research. Their logo are not the same. This Trump again, you know, is this second Trump and the first one are not the same. From the way I'm seeing it, did 293%. Hood HOOD did 293% in the last 23 hours. Okay, if I scroll down, see, you see them. MSTR did 279%. So that is that. Okay, this top losers here, this top loser is talking about tokens that they're really, I hope you can see it. Did I circle it to a top losers is talking about tokens that really went down after the pump. Token, if you click on that top losers, you see they'll be in red. What do I say? Tokens that really went down drastically in the past 24 hours. Check it. Stock, Pi, Labubu, and the rest of them. Check out their percentage. Look at 91%, 92%, 94%, just like that, okay. That is top losers, all right. So now if you want to check out tokens on the, how they call it, or you want to check out tokens on, I mean, want to find out the current trending crypto narratives in the industry, you come here. This is coin. Watch or follow me very well. This is coin, this is watch list, this is dex scan. The other is overview. You scroll, keep scrolling. You see the way I'm scrolling, you see category. If you see category, click on this category. Stop, click on the category. You see different crypto narratives. All right, you see different crypto narratives. Number one is Binance Alpha. The number two is the menu, Solana, BNB. These are different narrative, AI data, reward, reward, asset, and the rest. If you click on this category now, see, let me scroll. You see there are many. So we are not here to look at all these that are here, all these things. I'm here to pick like 4 or 5 trending crypto narrative you and I can pay attention. All right, the next one I can advise you to go to is check out this one, AI and the big data. That is number one. Let me click on that AI. This is a very strong crypto narratives. These are tokens under AI and big data. Okay, you research on them. All this like Tayo, this one, let's see them here. These are tokens under AI project, AI tokens them. AI projects that are doing well in this period. Okay, you click the menu, just calm down, research. Are you seeing there are many here? Wow, there are many. This one is AI. This project is AI. Wow. Even this one is AI token also. So you sit down, analyze them. Whichever one that is okay, you go in and bag it the way you want. That is tokens under AI and big data. They are trending narratives, strong trending narratives. Are you hearing me? That is that for the AI. Let's go to the next trending narrative. Is the reward asset. Is this one? The reward what asset? Let me click on it. You click on it. Once it opens, please calm down. See it. Research. Research is not easy. Let me circle it well, please. Okay, I'm making video on how you can use CoinMarketCap to discover the strong trending crypto narratives. All right, reward asset protocols. You click on, see them, see them, link, see them, see them, see them, see them. You see them, pick 1 or 2 or 3, research on them. Whichever one that is okay, you invest. All right, they are doing well, very very well. They are really printing dollars on daily basis. The next one is gaming. This one, oh, father. The next one is gaming. You click on this gaming. All right. Gotta reduce the volume of that TV, please. Reduce it to final. Under this gaming, if you click on this gaming, all right, see it. This gaming here. Click on it. These are tokens under gaming. See them. See them. Tokens under gaming. All right. You research on them. Whichever one that is okay, you bag it. Hold it for a long term. Okay. Then the next one is DePIN. These are strong crypto. I wouldn't want this video to be long. God help me. Okay, click on that DePIN. It's a very strong crypto narratives. A very strong narratives in the space. These are tokens under DePIN, Tayo, ICP, Render, Few. See them here. Down. They are tokens under DePIN narratives. Okay, you just research them. Whichever one is okay by you, you invest your money. All right, the video is already long. I wouldn't want it to be long. Then the last but not the least is the last strong narrative I want to talk about is memes. Where is it? Where is memes? It's memes. Okay, let me click on this memes. All right, you see, memes is another strong narrative. Look at Dodge, Sheep, Pepe, Trump, Bonk, Bengum. You see them? Just calm down. Let me scroll. Flocky, SPX. You see, these are memes. Memes is another. The meme coin is another strong narrative. Baby Dodge, Lion, NPC, Popcat, Popcat, Mew, WikiCat. Can you say WikiCat 54 million market cap? Can you see WikiCat is among the memes? So meme coin is another, strong narrative. Elon, Bird, Not. This meme is a very strong narrative. You ought to look into place. All right, so that is it. I don't want this video to be long. Dogs, you see dogs? Dogs are very strong token. Cats, you see? So that is it. If you find this video helpful, please drop your comment in the comment section. All right, thank you so much for watching to this extent. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.